43 Types of Popular Dudleya Pictorial Guide. Dudleya is a genus of succulent plants that are native to the western coast of North America, particularly California and Baja California. These plants are known for their striking appearance and are popular among succulent enthusiasts. The leaves of Dudleya plants are usually thick and fleshy, with a rosette shape that can vary from tightly packed to more open and spreading. Dudleya abramsii, Dudleya anthony, Dudleya attenuata, Dudleya blockmaniae, Dudleya brevifolia, Dudleya brittany, Dudleya caspitosa, Dudleya candelabrum, Dudleya edulis, Dudleya farinosa. Dudleya plants are a fascinating group of succulent plants that are known for their unique appearance and ability to thrive in challenging conditions. They are often used in rock gardens, succulent gardens, and container gardens. Please visit asucculent.com for the complete list.